Ever found yourself sitting at home thinking, how do you find out what the inverse of a function is? Me too. So here I am to explain it to you. The first thing that you need to do is swap x and y, but there is no y. So let's rewrite this as 7 over x plus 5. We've now got a y here. We can then swap them around. So this would then be x equals 7 over y plus 5. And now all we need to do is rearrange it so it goes back into y equals blah, 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 blah. So let's do that. Let's first subtract 5 from both sides. So you're going to get x minus 5 equals 7 over y. If we now multiply both sides by y, if I do here and I do a y and I do here, I do a y, these will cancel out and I will have y x minus 5 equals 7. We now can divide both sides by x minus 5. And these will cancel out. So then you're going to get y equals 7 over x minus 5. This is the inverse to this function, but you can't leave it just like that. You have to use the correct notation. To write the inverse, it's f minus 1 x, and that would be equal to 7 over x minus 5. The reason why it's fundamentally important that you swap everything over is because if you didn't, you'd be rearranging, and this would actually have a y here. So if you wrote a y here, the function is in terms of x, not y, so it wouldn't make any sense. Let's do it again. So let's make this y equals x plus 2 over 3x minus 5. First step, let's swap it all around. So this would become x and this would be y plus 2 over 3y minus 5. We now can rearrange. So let's multiply both sides by 3y minus 5. So if we did 3y minus 5 and 3y minus 5 and we multiply both sides, we've eliminated the denominator on the right hand side. We can now expand this. So let's expand that. 3xy minus 5x equals y plus 2. We're trying to collect all the y terms, and so it looks like y equals something. So let's get rid of this 5x onto this side by adding 5x to both sides. 3xy would equal y plus 2 plus 5x. Let's move this y term to the left hand side. 3xy minus y would equal 2 plus 5x. We can now factorize this because y is common in both sides, both parts. So let's pull that out. Y, 3x minus 1. This would be 2 plus 5x. We can now divide both sides by 3x minus 1. This would cancel out. So now we have y equals 2 plus 5x divided by 3x minus 1. That is the inverse function. And we've got it in the correct notation with x there. But you can't just leave it as y. You have to put your f minus 1 x, which equals 2 plus 5x over 3x minus 1.